to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. Let's say it again. When saying dates, money and addresses. 1 is out, 2 is E, 3 is SAR. Let's say it again. 4 is SUT and 5 is O, 6 is YUK. Keep going till we know. 7 is chill and 8 is POW. 9 is COO and 10 is SIP. Let's try to combine. 20 is E-ship, 30 is SAM-ship, 40 is SAS-ship, on up to 90 GOO-ship. 100 is bait and 1,000 is churn. Say man for 10,000 is Marn. We're counting up high, you're doing so fine. Let's say it again. L-E-SAM. Count it with me, we'll count through the numbers from 1 to infinity. In Korean we learn, in Korean we try. Let's say it again. From L to bake, Marn, we've counted in Korean and had so much fun. So sing this song and count with me. 1, 2, 3, il-e-sar. Let's say it again. When saying age, counting items in time. 1 is Hana, 2 is duel with me. 3 is set, 4 is net, keep the beat. 5 is desert, now your counting's complete. 6 is Yerser, and 7 is Ilga. 8 is you don't go higher, don't stop. 9 is our hope, and 10 is Yol. 11 is Yol Hana, 12 is Yol Duel. Now you know them all, so give it a whirl. Let's say it again. When say it again, money and addresses, count it with me. 1 is out, 2 is E, 3 is SAR. When saying age, counting items and time, count it with me. Hana duel, set, count it with me. Let's say it again. What time is it now? The clock says shit. Count them Hana duel sets. Count hours with natives, say it with glee. Harsha means 1 o'clock, go up from there. Dushi means 2 o'clock, now you're aware. And when you need minutes, count them il-e-sar. Sipo blue means 15 minutes, see it in a while. Money and dates, addresses too. At what time do you mix? Hana dual set, Hana dual set. And at what minutes do you mix? Il-e-sar, il-e-sar. Count it with